If you're going to pick a number, pick a really big one. JPMorgan thinks people will treat digital currency, particularly Bitcoin, like gold, and eventually value it in the same way. If investors think of the two in the same terms, then they might bid up the price of Bitcoin high enough so that all the Bitcoin in the world would equal global investments in bars of gold. That would mean the price of Bitcoin rising to $146,000 from about $30,000 today. JPMorgan strategist said in a note, "Bitcoin's competition with gold has already started in our mind. Considering how big the financial investment into gold is, a crowding out of gold as an alternative currency implies big upside for Bitcoin over the long term." He pointed out the recent $7 billion in outflows from gold and more than $3 billion of inflows into the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. All the Bitcoin in the world is currently worth about $575 billion. It needs to increase by 400% to reach the current valuation of private gold investments. Now, before you start counting on your Bitcoin to reach 6 digits this year, understand that JPMorgan doesn't think this will happen tomorrow. In the short term, the bank thinks Bitcoin will reach 50,000 to 100,000 and then will need to settle down before marching higher. The bank said, "We note that the spectacular Bitcoin rally of the past few weeks has moved Bitcoin into more challenging territory, not only in terms of its positioning backdrop, but also in terms of its valuation."